Hi, I'm Olga. Today we'll do Russian pancakes, actually Russian small pancakes. We name them Oladi. There are a lot of different recipes of Oladi. Today we'll do Oladi with Kefir. Kefir, it is sort of Russian liquid yogurt. You can purchase it in any Russian market or in supermarket like Ralph's or John's. So what we will need for our pancakes? We need flour, of course, we'll need kefir, we need sugar, salt, egg and a little bit of baking soda. So let's start to make our pancakes. At first we mix egg with sugar. We need 1 egg and approximately 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we'll mix it well. Here is 1 cup of flour, and I will need also approximately 1 cup of kefir. Let us measure it and we'll see, maybe we'll need a bit less or a bit more. And we'll start to mix flour, eggs and kefir all together, step by step. Cup of kefir. We'll need to add some salt, a little bit. So we will need to add a bit of salt, approximately 1/4 of teaspoon, I think so, and a little bit of soda. So half of half of teaspoon, and we'll add a bit of vinegar here as well. It will eliminate taste of soda already, though you can do it without vinegar. Yes, so that's about it. How smooth is dough, and we can add something else. We can add, for example, dried cranberry. So we are ready now to fry our pancakes. We need to heat skillet first, then we'll add some oil, a little bit, and place a dough on the skillet in a small batches. Yes, and I forgot to tell that fire should be medium, so not very high, otherwise they will be burned from the bottom. So now we are ready to turn them. You see, when the small bubbles are forming on the surface, we can turn them over. And I can add a little bit of oil, a little bit. Now I think they are ready already, yes, so we can place them on the plate. And do the same with the rest of the dough. So here they are, Russian oladyi, and we can serve them with sour cream or jam or both together. So we'll do it right now.